In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export data into Excel and insert it starting from specific cell. So let's say, for example, we have a famous producer called Quentin Cappuccino. He produced a number of movies, such as English Breakfast Patient, and so on. So, and what we want to do, we want to insert this data into another Excel file, starting from the certain cell. So let me create the file first. Fantastic, what of Excel as usual. Anyway, so yeah, Cappuccino movies. Paste it here. Says auto producer. Cappuccino. My spelling is not getting any better. We will be inserting data starting from A6. Just close it. Okay, so what we need to do next, we need to create transformation. And we will call it movies. And our source type is Excel. It can be anything. Again, our software support wide number of data sources, as you can see. Okay, here's our data, just auto formatted. Now we need to set writer properties. Again, the data target type is Excel. We need to select the file, Cappuccino movies, and we want to add, not want to create a header. And the cell is A6. What we need to do now, just need to do the mapping. Run it. And let's see what happens. As you can see, our data was inserted, but we have a slight problem. This is not actually a date, it is just a string. And some applied, well, this is sort of number, but we would like to reformat it. I'm going to show you how to apply formats in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions and suggestions, please go to our support forum and ask them there. and we will do our best to help you. Thank you, bye.